Here is a quick tip on how to create a scalable web app using .NET 8. Among all the available frameworks for implementing web apps, running web apps with ASP.NET Core in .NET 8 ensures good performance together with low production and maintenance costs. Launch our Visual Studio Code and we will select ASP just and let's say just empty. We'll create a project. So we're going to create ASP.NET web app here. So let me just pick. So let me pick ASP. Okay, let me just pick this MVC. Alright, so I want to call my project, let's say Azure Tutor, and that's fine. So I prefer to use my .NET 8 because that's the essence of this class really. Alright, so now that we have a project now, which is Azure Tutor project, we can just come to publish it. And also, I've created a resource group in my portal, but I can as well do that here on this Visual Studio. And what I want to do is just to click next. Since I picked Azure here, I will next it. Then I can either use any of this, but I prefer to go for Windows App Service. And so once I click next, so this part can actually ask you for authentication, but because I've done this before, there's no need for me to authenticate. It's registered, and this is the resource group that I created earlier, but I want to create new. I'll pick that same resource group, but I want to create new one. So new hosting plan. Okay, it selects that one by default for me, and the name you can see. So here I just want to create. All right, so here I can just click finish since it's so. But before I even go ahead to publish this, I think I might need to explain something here. It is worth mentioning that to publish ASP.NET version in framework dependent mode, you must add an extension. So here, for where you have this dependent mode, before you can use this dependent mode directly, you need to add like let's say you need to add this ASP.NET Core Runtime. You can create that one. It's an extension. You can create the extension on Azure portal first, so that it will pick that. But me, I just want to use self-contained mode here, which I don't need it to configure anything, and it will just publish directly for me. So here that I've saved it, all I need to do now is to just go ahead and publish my web app. You can see build started. Wow, so that's that. You can see the information here. Say web app was published successfully, and we have the web page already. So let me just even click on that. So it's installing extension. So you can see shows launching. You can see this is a Azure Tutor, which is the web page that we created from the Visual Studio Code. I hope this helps someone in your cloud journey. Thank you for joining.